Hana, Erica, Vera, Marasigan, Pilapian. Huwag kang imatayin. Hindi ito masasalugin. At paharap.
Hi everyone, I'm Jane. Friends with Hannah for 13 years. Actually, di ko alam bakit kami nagtagal. Kasi nung first time kaming friends, nagalit siya sa akin dahil lang malat yung sulat ko sa bond paper. And Mapua time pa yon. Speaking of Mapua, dun ko unang narinig si Carlo. Nung inagaw niya yung chocolate ni Hannah. Buti na lang bumawi siya, nag-sorry, and here we are today celebrating them together.
Ayan, araw na ulit. Tama yan.
Nagsimula tayong magkaibigan. Laging nag-aasaran. Kinain yung chocomucho. Dati kinain ko yung chocomucho niya. Tapos nagalit siya sa akin noon. Simula nun siguro. Feel ko dun palang crush mo na akin. Kasi nung nagalit siya nun, binigyan ko siya ng mas magandang chocolate. Binigyan ko siya Hershey's. Kaya, feel ko kinilig siya nun ng time na yun.
We were just friends for 5 years. Most of our blackmates eventually transferred schools, and somehow we found our way back to each other. I didn't know then that reconnecting for the second time would be one of the best things that ever happened to me.
Congrats, Ate Hannah and Carlo.
Sana mag-enjoy lahat mamaya. Part time na.
Marriage would always be perfect. There will be disagreements and difficult days. But a perfect marriage isn't about two perfect people. It's about two imperfect people whose differences don't pull them apart, but make them stronger together.
Ito na, ang bilis ng oras.
The parameter or the measure of your love for one another is the love of Jesus.
I don't exactly know when friendship became love. Maybe it happened quietly through all the ordinary days we spent together. Until I realized you were the person I want to keep choosing.
Ito na. Ito na. Ito na ngayon.
Uy, first boyfriend niya. Ulit.
Sabi ko, kung kakaroon ako ng boyfriend, parang siya na sana. Kasi mami ko is, first boyfriend niya din yung daddy ko. So, parang ganun din yung mindset ko na date to marry talaga.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Mr. and Mrs. Carlo and Hannah.
I've always been a fast walker. But one day you said, you don't have to walk fast anymore because you have a hand to hold now.
Ang pag-aasawa hindi lang tungkol sa pagmamahalan, kundi tungkol din sa panghabang buhay na pagtanggap, pag-unawa at pagtutulungan.
As you start your journey, sana lumakas pa rin yung loob nyo bilang mag-asawa. Mag-enjoy lang kayo sa mga haharapin nyo.
You were my first boyfriend, and today, you became my forever. You are the only person I ever had the courage to say yes to. You are already my home long before I had the keys to our place.
Hinakabahan, pero excited.
Iyak pa si Carlo.
Pag di siya umiyak, di niya mahal. There was a time na nasa lowest ako noong time na yun. Then, siya lang din yung ilakbang ko nun. Tapos, inalagaan niya ako kahit hindi maganda yung nararamdaman ko noong time na yun. Parang siya kasi yung naging home ko talaga nung time na yun.
You feel like home. You feel like home. You feel like home. You feel like home.
Pinabati ko kayong dalawa. Kano, ikaw nang mag-aalaga dyan. Kumbaga, ibinibigay ko na yung responsibilidad sa iyo. Sa anak ko.
Ano ka, Ando? Handa ka na ba?
Paupo pa lang ako eh.
Wala nang tulian, ha?
Wala na po.
Wala na.
Promise to be your constant, your anchor, your peace and your safe place. Sa bawat takbang ng buhay, sa pagod at ginhawa, sa yaman at kahirapan, sa sakit at kalakasan, ikaw ang palagi ko sa mga ito. Ikaw ang pinipili ko, pipiliin ko sa habang buhay na to, hanggang sa huling hininga ko.
Carlo, you may now kiss the bride.
One, two, three.
Thank you for being my best friend, my home, and the love of my life. Today and always, I choose you, my husband. I love you.